How's it going, everyone? In this video, I'm going to walk you through a huge trade I caught on SPY and ES futures. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button, click that bell icon so you do not miss on any upcoming videos. I have been waiting on this level all week. Actually, I've been waiting on it a little bit longer than that, but let's talk about this level. If you watch my weekly watch list, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. I was watching this 438.43 to 438.1 area to add puts, okay, on SPY or to go short on ES futures. Yes, a lot of you already know that I trade ES futures based on SPY levels and SPX levels very often, but for those that do not, you do now. So this level, you can see it's a daily time frame level. You see how we're trending down on the daily? That bottom 438.1 was us breaking above this lower high. So, we're breaking out of this downtrend if we break above this level on the daily time frame at least. And that 438.43 was a daily gap fill level. So I wanted to add puts in that area. I knew this was the highest probability trade of the week. Hands down, the exact type of setups I like to trade. It turned into a nice resistance area as well. So now that you know the reasoning behind the levels, let's look at the 5-minute time frame here. I took calls. I said, okay, I'm grabbing calls here. I'm going to play up to my reject level. Grabbed them, had a nice push up, trimmed my calls, set stop loss at my entry price on the remainder. That way, if it comes back down, right, I'm selling the remainder of my position at what I paid for it. That way, I'm not giving back profits. And I started my put position. Not something I typically do. I don't really do the whole straddle thing, but I knew we could push up to this 438.43. So that's the only reason I held the remaining position in my calls, just in case we did. And I would have added more puts in that area. But got a good feel here on puts. Come back down, stop me out on my call runners. Remember, had that stop loss in play. And the puts absolutely printed. As you can see, still looks like it's about to make another low of day here. Insane trade. We played this back down to a 50% gain on the contracts for our first trim. Next trim was around that prior day close or a little bit below for some of the people inside Team Bull. Others held. Some are still holding. Personally, I got out right here when we broke below this 436.29, which is a support on SPY. I knew there's a probability that we bounce there. As you can see, we did. But we're failing it now. Amazing trade. I was very patient yesterday, barely traded, scalped around a little bit, nothing crazy. The day before that, I took a trade with Team Bull admins. Wasn't even my own level. My levels did not trigger. I took a trade with one of the other Team Bull admins and it paid me well. Didn't make no money yesterday, basically break even. And today was my biggest day of the week and one of my biggest days in a while. And that's all I have for this video. I hope this helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Real quick, I'm still working on that guide I promised you all to help you, confirm your trades, manage your trades. Kind of just my rules. It's not telling you what to do. It's just how I do it. I'm still working on that. Should have it done this weekend maybe. So be sure you go to grizzlytrades.com, subscribe to my email list / newsletter. It's a free newsletter. I'm going to put it in there when I drop it. And one last thing, Team Bull is now a private trading community. So you can't just join anytime. If you're interested in joining, okay, go to grizzlytrades.com or you can find the link in the description. Join the waiting list, okay? There's a waiting list. There's thousands of people on it right now. Get your spot if you want to join our private trading community. That's all I have for this video. I appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.